Hi, Star884 here. I'm going to show you some things I use to pack and ship out my jewelry. Here are some basic packing and shipping supplies I like to have on hand. Tissue paper and bubble wrap. Small resealable bags of different sizes. Jewelry boxes of different sizes and shapes. You can find these on Amazon. Here is a 3-pack that I buy at the dollar store that has different sizes. I like the 4x8 bubble mailers and the 6x10 bubble mailers. Organza bags are also nice. If you're shipping out through priority, these small shipping boxes are great. And you can get them for free at the post office. Lots and lots of packing tape. I like the Scotch brand. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.